I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I take the bus to work. I start my workday. I attend meetings. I check my emails. I have lunch with my colleagues. I work on my projects. I take a coffee break. I finish my work. I go home. I cook dinner. I eat dinner with my family. I watch TV. I read a book. I go for a walk. I exercise at the gym. I call my friends. I do the laundry. I clean the house. I water the plants. I feed my pets. I take out the trash. I do the dishes. I prepare for the next day. I set my alarm clock. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I change into my pajamas. I go to bed. I fall asleep. I dream about my day. I wake up refreshed. I repeat my daily routine. I enjoy my morning coffee. I greet my neighbors. I read the newspaper. I plan my day. I write in my journal. I meditate for a few minutes. I listen to music. I check the weather. I pack my lunch. I say goodbye to my family. I leave for work. I arrive at the office. I check my calendar. I attend a team meeting. I take notes during the meeting. I work on my tasks. I collaborate with my colleagues. I take a short break. I have a snack. I reply to emails. I update my project status. I join a video call. I share my screen during the call. I discuss project updates. I brainstorm new ideas. I take a walk during lunch break. I enjoy the fresh air. I return to my desk. I continue working on my tasks. I review my to-do list. I prioritize my tasks. I complete a task. I mark the task as done. I feel accomplished. I help a colleague with a problem. I learn something new. I attend a training session. I take a coffee break in the afternoon. I chat with my colleagues. I finish my work for the day. I log off my computer. I pack my things. I leave the office. I drive home. I listen to music in the car. I arrive home. I greet my family. I relax for a while. I prepare dinner. I set the table. I enjoy dinner with my family. I clean up after dinner. I watch a movie. I play a game with my family. I read a bedtime story to my kids. I tuck my kids into bed. I unwind with a cup of tea. I reflect on my day. I write in my gratitude journal. I plan for tomorrow. I get ready for bed. I fall asleep peacefully.